1, 2. I am fine, thank you. And you? 3, 4. Please subscribe and like more. 5, 6. Nice magic tricks. 7, 8. Cool, that's great. 9 and 0. Come with me and draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. For the hero! Wow, great! Today I am drawing numbers. 1 to 0 means 1 to 10. Okay, let's draw. Let's start. Pencil. First I am trace all the numbers 1 to 10. Don't worry, it's okay. Look. Yes, nice. Number 2. Trace the number helps you to drawing and coloring. Don't worry, it's okay. La 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 la. Number 4. Number 5. Great job. Now 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. And last, not the least, number 0. Okay, great. Use the black marker to make this outline more visible. Looks wow! Let's start coloring. Red. Start with red color. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Great. Now next, orange. Great. Bye bye orange. Next, yellow. Hello yellow. Bye bye yellow. Next, green. Hey kids, what's your favorite color? Great. La 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 la. La 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 la. I like coloring so much. Do you like coloring? Great. Bye bye green. Next, blue. Hoo hoo. Hey friends, see the color our rainbow too. Looks majestic. Great. Do you like rainbow color? Great. I like rainbow color so much. Bye bye blue. Next, indigo. Don't worry, it's okay. Bye bye indigo. Next, yes, you're right. Pink. Bye bye pink. Next, red. Red looks perfect. Bye bye red. Next, yellow. Do you like yellow color? Great. Bye bye yellow. Next, orange. Yes, I like orange so much. Do you like orange? Great! Bye bye, orange. Now I am drawing some patterns. Oh, look, circle. Draw some big circle and draw some small circle. Do you like pattern drawing? Great. It's look majestic. Now next, square. Draw some big square. And draw some small square. Wow, great! Now next, triangle. Draw some big triangle and draw some small triangle. Do you like shapes? Great! Bye bye triangle. Next, yes, heart. Oh, so sweet. Heart. Hey kids, do you like hearts? Great! Bye bye heart. Hello owl. Draw some big owls and draw some small owls. Bye bye owl. Okay. Circle. Big circle, small circle. Okay, great. Now draw some squares. Big squares, small squares. Great. Draw some triangle. Big triangle, small triangle. Now draw some hearts. Big hearts, small hearts. Now draw some ovals. Small ovals. Great! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Wow, great! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Bye bye, heroes. Bye bye. All thanks to you. Bye.